everyone, welcome to my channel at Hau Chic. If you love all things beauty, fashion and health, stay tuned for more videos ahead. I'll be doing an ASMR and tea making, followed by Gua Sha and facial massage exercises in 30-second intervals. Make sure you have cleansed and toned your face. Link to my nighttime skincare routine is in the description box down below. Start by using your favorite night cream. Apply generously all over your face and neck area. This will give a smooth movement for your facial massage. Then let's take a Gua Sha stone and begin. This one I found on Amazon, but feel free to use any of your favorite stones. Starting with the cheekbones, glide upwards towards your ear. Be gentle and not drag your skin too harshly. You don't want to cause wrinkles to form. Moving on to the lower cheek. Then you want to drain everything off, starting from the eye area, down below to the ear, and then to the neck area. Repeat everything on the other side, starting with the cheekbone. Then to the lower cheek. And drain everything off. to the eyes, apply a gentle pressure, making tiny steps across the eyelid. Repeat this on the other side. Then massage the brow bone in one smooth motion. Repeat on the other side. Moving on to the jawline, apply gentle pressure and pull up towards the ear and drain into the neck area. Repeat this on the other side. Moving on to the forehead, use your fingers and pull upwards towards your hairline. Then move on to your side temples. Moving to the other side. Using your finger joints, apply gentle pressure on the cheeks. And we are finished. Don't forget to hydrate after your massage. It's super important to flush out all the toxins from your body. Thank you for watching my step-by-step Gua Sha facial massage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Hau Chic and comment, like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. I send you all my hugs and my love.